Now that you understand how to discover your purpose, how do you start walking in it? What should you begin doing? Where do you go from here? I'll answer all of that. It's a good thing that you've discovered your purpose. At least now you have a direction in life. Let me reiterate that purpose is something you continue to understand more deeply over time. It's not a one-time revelation, rather. It's a journey of gaining clearer insight and wisdom. So, don't stop at just discovering your purpose. It unfolds in layers, and you will keep learning more about it. First step is to start applying what you know so far. Now that you've discovered the first layer of your purpose, put it to work. Look at what you're currently doing. Does it align with your purpose? Do you feel happy doing it? If you have a job that pays your bills, are you satisfied with it? Or would you prefer something else? If you're a student, does your course of study align with where you want to be in the future? If not, how can you start realigning yourself? Key now is to recalibrate your life to fit your purpose. If you have a job but dream of working independently, how do you gain that freedom? What steps should you start taking now? If you're satisfied with your job, how can you keep improving yourself and becoming a better version of yourself? These are crucial questions you must answer to align yourself with your purpose. Most importantly, set a plan to realign yourself with your purpose. It could be a short-term or long-term plan. Once you know you're on the right path, you won't mind how long it takes to get there because you know you'll arrive. It's better to take one step in the right direction than 1,000 steps in the wrong one. So, focus now on moving in the direction of your purpose. Everything in your life, your relationships, your activities, your projects, and your commitments should align with it. Here's another important point. Make your purpose as definite and specific as possible. Don't keep it vague or general. Define it clearly because, yes, it is unique to you. Keep refining and gaining clarity. For example, if your purpose is in the field of health, how exactly do you want to contribute? What specific role do you see yourself playing? Health is a broad field, so define your path clearly and determine how to achieve it. As I mentioned earlier, all your gifts, talents, abilities, potentials, and passions are interconnected with your purpose. You need to find the connection between them, how they all make sense within the bigger picture of your life. That's the essence of having them. They are all tied to your purpose. Don't feel discouraged if you haven't figured it all out yet. Keep discovering, keep learning. We live life forward and understand it backward. Many things will make sense with time. And if you still have questions, you're always welcome to reach out to me. I'd be glad to help. See you stepping into a greater level of your life as you fulfill your purpose. Cheers. Read next. Your gift makes fulfilling your purpose easy. Read previous, part 3. Kindly share this post if you find value in it. Thanks for your support. You can watch this program on YouTube. P.S. In case you want to, feel free to reach out to me. If you need advice on your plans and ideas and how to work on your gift and purpose, drop me a message here or email me at sopiansofgod@gmail.com and we'll arrange a call. Will you like to write a book? Share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book. Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com.get books on Amazon. Amazon Books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, Isay Music got you. Contact sopiansofgodmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. 5 powerful ways to discover your gifts and awaken your hidden potentials. 2. Making 2025 your best year yet. 3. Are you clear about what you want this year? 4. 9 ways to avoid distractions. 5. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments here. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.